In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rotate a text box in Canva. If you've ever wanted your text to sit at a slight angle for a more dynamic layout, or to line up perfectly with an element in your design, this is a quick and simple technique you'll use all the time. Start by opening your project in Canva and locating the text you want to edit. Make sure you click directly on the text so it becomes active. You'll know it's selected when a bounding box appears around it with handles at the corners and sides. This frame is your sign that you can transform the text, and it's what reveals the rotation control. Look just below the selected text box for a small circular arrow icon. That's the rotate handle. Move your cursor over it, then click and hold. While holding, drag your mouse in a curve to the left or right. As you drag, you'll see the text rotate in real time, following the angle of your movement. Keep your eyes on any on-screen guides that appear. Canva often shows a degree indicator and snapping lines, which help you land on clean angles like perfectly horizontal, vertical, or common diagonals. If you want a subtle tilt, move slowly and make small adjustments until it feels right. When you're happy with the angle, release the mouse button to set it. If the text ends up leaning a bit more than you intended, just grab the same rotate handle again and nudge it back. You'll notice that Canva tends to snap to straight lines as you get close to them, which makes it easy to return to a precise 0-degree angle without fuss. A couple of quick tips to make this even smoother. If the rotate handle is hard to grab, zoom in on your canvas so you have more control over tiny movements. If your text looks off balance after rotating, that's usually because its baseline has shifted. Simply click anywhere inside the bounding box and drag the whole text box to reposition it in your layout. And if your text is overlapping other elements, adjust the placement first, then rotate again for fine-tuning. That's really all there is to it. Select the text, grab the circular rotate icon beneath it, click and hold, then drag to the angle you want. With a little practice, you'll be able to set precise rotations in seconds and give your designs that polished, intentional look. Keep exploring, and use rotation to create hierarchy, draw attention, and add personality to your Canva projects.